Hi everyone, in this tutorial video we're going to be creating a 2 of 2 multisig wallet with an Android phone running BlueWallet and a passport. So to get started, first make sure that your advanced settings are turned on in BlueWallet. So as you can see, I have advanced mode on. That allows us to make a multisig setup that is not only 2 of 3, so we can actually choose what we want. So we can name this, let's see, passport, maybe 2 of 2 should be good. We can choose a vault and click create. And now we can actually switch this to 2 of 2 and start. So I'm going to click create new here, which is going to create a new seed that is stored on this phone. I'm just going to take my phone off the screen for privacy reasons because it displays the seed here. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to click import in a second and import a public key from Passport. So to do that, I just go to Pair Wallet, BlueWallet, multisig, and use QR codes. We just do import and scan our importer file on BlueWallet. And we're all done. Pretty simple. Gonna click create, and while that happens, gonna click done on Passport. As you can see, Passport wants me to import the multisig configuration from BlueWallet. This is so Passport can actually verify receive addresses. So I'm going to click on the wallet, click on the 3 dots, go to Export Coordination Setup, and I'm going to go ahead and scan these QR codes that appear from Passport. Perfect. Now we can verify the details of the multisig wallet, 2 of 2. And now it wants us to verify an address to make sure that the configuration is correct. So we can go back to the wallet details. We can create a new receive address. And I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Scan the QR code of the address. And it says address verified. Now Passport is asking me to make a new backup to the microSD card. And that's because we added a new multisig configuration. And this can be saved on a Passport backup file. So I'm going to go ahead and insert an SD card. Click continue. Done. So we've backed it up. And we've set it up with BlueWallet. And now we're good to go to receive funds, and then we can do another video shortly of sending funds.